Hi, and welcome to Preschool Print Co, where learning makes fun in every sticker. I'm going to show you how to use your sticker Canva templates that have been provided for you. Go to create a design, click custom size, add in your dimensions that you want, usually 2x2 works fine, and you will see that you will have a new sticker design here where you can start editing and creating your own unique one. Alternatively, you can go to the stickers that I have provided in the template and you can add in your own little graphics. Remember to make a copy. Once you've made a copy, remember to change the name, such as preschool stickers. Here you can edit them. You can drag in your own little graphics by clicking on the text element on your sticker and edit it. Using the text toolbar, here you can choose a variety of fonts. You can change the size, make it bigger, you can make it smaller. So next what you will do, you will go to download, and we want to download the file as a PNG as suggested here. To make the file, the resolution a little bit better, I like to just double it for a PNG. Then we'll go to download and we will download our stickers. Once we have done that, then we will go to our file and we will upload, we will go to uploads, where we will upload the files that we want. I've already done that, and then now they are in a PNG or a JPEG format, and then it's use the template that I've provided. So literally take your sticker, your PNG, and drag it into the place. You will see each sticker will drag in. You can even repeat it if you want to repeat it. Once you're happy with all of that, then you will go and you fill up your page. You can also duplicate the page if you think that you're going to be using more than 12 stickers. So before you actually start putting in your different stickers, you will just duplicate the page. If you've made a mistake, you will click on it and you will detach the image, and you will see that will pop up, and you delete it and you can add in a new one. You can even add in colors if you want. Let's do purple, orange, and so forth. Remember also to save this as preschool stickers or whatever you choose to name your file. Again, also just change your page, stickers 2, and hit share. Here you are going to now download it as a PDF for printing, and remember to flatten it so that everything stays where it should stay. And if you have the paid version, you can do the CMYK. Then you will download it and then you're ready for print. I hope that this tutorial has helped you with some ideas for creating your own stickers, and enjoy creating stickers for your classroom or for the home. Please remember to share, like, and subscribe to Preschool Print Co.'s YouTube channel, and thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.